The emergency of nationalism. Next, the above mentioned developments led the people to ask a crucial question: what is the countries of India and for whom is meant? The answer that gradually emerged was India was the people of India, all the people, irrespective of classes, color, caste, create language or gender, and the country, its resources and systems were meant for all the them. With the answer came the answer awareness that the British were exercising central and control over the resources of India and the life of its people, and until this control was ended, India could not be for Indians. Next, the began to be clearly started by the political associations formed after 1850, especially those that come into being in the 1870 and 1880. Most of these were led by English educated professionals such as lawyers. The more important one were the Pune Sarjana Sabha and Indian Association. Next, the Madras Maharaja Sabha, the Bombay Presidency Association, and the course of Indian National Congress. Next, note the name Pune Swaraj Sabha. The literally meaning of the Swaraj is of for all of people, chunk of the people. Through many of these associations functional in specified parts of the country, their goals were stated as the goal of all the people of India, not those of any one region, community, or class. Next, they worked with the India with the idea that the people should be sovereign, a modern and a key feature of nationalism. Next, in other words, they believed that the Indian people should be empowered to take decisions regarding their affairs. Next, the dissatisfactions with British rule interested in the 1870s and 1880s. The Arms Act was passed in 1878, disallowing Indians from possessing arms in their same year. The Press Act was also enacted in the effort of silence those who were critical of the government. Next, the Act allowed the government of the access of newspapers, including their printing presses, if the newspapers published anything that was found objectionable. In 1883, there was a horror over the attempt by the government to introduce the bill. The bill provided for the trial of British of European persons by Indians and sought equality between British and Indian judges in the country. Next, but while opposition forced the government to withdraw the bill, Indians were urged. The event highlight the recall attitudes of the British of India. Next, the need for in all India organization for educated Indians had been felt since 1880, but the Labour Bill dependent in the desire. The Indian National Congress was established when 72 delegates from all over the country meet at Bombay in December 1885. Next, the early leadership, Nauroji and other Taibal, W.C. Banerjee, Chatterjee, N. Ramesh Chandra, Dutt S. Subramaniam, lawyer among others, was largely from Bombay and Calcutta. Nauroji, a businessman and publisher, London, and for a time member of the British Parliament, guided in the younger nationalists, a retired British official AO, whom also played a part of bringing Indians from the various regions together.